Hello guys, welcome to Cartoon Box channel. One good news for the OnePlus Nord CE users. OnePlus is rolling out Android 13 based Oxygen OS 13 for the Nord CE smartphone. This is one of the final upgrade for this Nord CE smartphone, and they are currently being provided to the global units only in a phased manner. Soon it will be available for all the regions. They have done tons of tweaks and improvements so that the smartphone can be at peak performance for the final year of its security updates. All the new features introduced by the Google with Android 13 are there, along with some OnePlus exclusive stuffs. Oxygen OS brand new aquamorphic design is included to the animation for enhanced theme colors and visual comfort. And now enlarged folders can be placed on the home screen. And this update brings a new sidebar toolbox that let the users open an app in a floating window on the top of another app. On the gaming side, upgrades are there to the HyperBoost GPA 4.0 to stabilize the frame rate and balance the performance and power consumption. No update is complete without its security and privacy improvements. Users now will be able to enjoy features of advanced encryption for the items they have placed in their private space. Many OnePlus users are facing the green line issue in their smartphone. Hope this upgrade resolves everything and will not create any further issues. That's all for now. For more tech info, don't miss to subscribe. Alright, see you in the next video. Until then, take care.